So me and my family went on a vacation in the beach in Palawan. Now, unfortunately, I dropped my Samsung S8 Plus in seawater. But it was just shallow, and I was able to pick it up after like a few seconds. I was still able to use it, took pictures, but after 1 hour, I am now left with the black death screen. So if you can see, there's still LED light indicator there. Um, but even if I press it, there is nothing. Okay, it is not working. All is good. I placed this in a sack of rice just so I would be able to get the moisture out. Um, place it there overnight, but still nothing is happening. So I tried resetting it, rebooting it by pressing on the volume down and the power button. So if I do it now, nothing's happening, but I can feel the vibration. So I don't know. So there, I can feel the vibration. I also tried to. Right now, there is no SIM card here, but when I tried to put back my SIM card, I tried to call my phone. It's ringing. I mean, you can hear the ringing volume. Okay. So I don't know if it's still working or there's just a problem with the LCD, but for this one, I found or figure out a quick fix, okay, for the Samsung S8 Plus, which I guess would be helpful. Is just this: hold your phone, okay, hold your phone firmly, okay, um, and then you do this. It goes in the trash. Then just buy a new phone. Bye bye now.